Guys, welcome back to my vlog. Myself, Mick, who knows who. Boys and girls, welcome to my house. As you can tell by the first vlog there, I was busy in the kitchen and that. That's completed. More or less, yeah. Now, this is our downstairs toilet, right? So this is kind of the layout of our house. We'll have our kitchen, we have our utility, then we have our downstairs toilet, and in here is our dining room, which at the end I have my game set up, which I will show you at a later stage. Guys, thanks ever so much for all the support, all the encouragement in the videos. The whole community, guys. Nice one. It's going well, isn't it? The friendships, everything that's coming out of it has just been crazy. Even me here now doing this video, never thought I would have done this, but anyway. Don't mind the kids in the back. We have most of them settled. So, yeah, I'm a dad of 5. Okay, everyone knows that anyway. But very hard to get things done in your own house. So, yesterday's vlog, I didn't get it done because, look, there's no point in myself in a lane fighting over cleaning and all this sort of stuff. And so, as I said, I wanted to do the house tour, but over the last few years, the house, you couldn't present it to anyone realistically. Like, it's not too bad. Like, don't get me wrong. Just, you know, the usual stuff, kids writing and stuff, and which they promised they won't do this time. So, we'll see how we go. Yeah, so if you want to have a look in there, Jeff, and just give them a little tour, right, of our downstairs toilet, yeah? So, yeah, this is the new colour I'm choosing. We have chose, right? So, it's Atlantic Spray, yeah. So, I'm on the last little bit. Guys, big shout out to the whole community for encouraging me to do this because, yeah, this is how you roll it up anyway, guys, right? I should have really taken out them, but I'm going to put them back up that. Yeah, so, look, it's going to need 2 coats, this one. Atlantic Spray, yeah, nice. Well, I don't know about it, to be honest. Paint on my phone, no way. Yeah, so anyway, guys, thanks very much for all the support, the whole lot. No, we're not finishing, Jeff, don't worry, I see his hand going up. Just keep on thanking us for creating this community and helping me so much with these videos. I know it's not very interesting and all that, but look, you have to get to know me. I'm showing you around my house. This is what you asked for. Well, a few of you did. Right, so I don't know about this colour. I was going to tile and stuff, but we're trying to do everything on a budget, right? Because with 5 kids, look, money's a problem for everybody, really. If you have too much money, it's a problem. If you don't have enough, it's a problem. But anyway, we're getting through it, right? Now, Jeff, follow me nice and slowly and we can have a look at the fine work I'm after doing. And the reason why I haven't been playing so much DayZ and stuff, right? I'm pretty happy with the job, right? I made my tea here earlier. You have a whole look around, Jeff. The biggest thing I'm definitely impressed with, the thing I'm most happy with is where I changed my pine up here, Jeff. Yeah, so this is an Irish kitchen, boys and girls. I was going to put the news on, but it's pushing on now. I think it's about 7 or 8 in the evening, so I'm going to have a shower. I want to play DayZ. I want to play, GTA, but I'll see how it goes. I want to get this vlog up. Yeah, but I'm happy enough up there now. There's a fly. Look, get out. Get out of my new kitchen, man. Get out, bruv. Get out of here. Peeper of a fly, man. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I have to say, I'm delighted with it. That there, yeah, everything is good, right? Now, probably need a new microwave, that's why it's not working great. I need milk in my tea here. Oh, the fridge could be a disgrace. Oh, the bits of everything's in there. Oh, close that up, close that up. Well, you know, I like the colour, I like it. I think it's nice. I feel, what to say, how would you say that? Look, I work in construction, so when you do something like that, it's nice to stand back and have a look. And I've got the utility done as well. I have all that done. Look at this. Look how clean my house is. Oh, yeah, don't try and, I have to, yeah, those few screws, I never filled them, so you have to expose me, Jeff, for being lazy. I'll fill them when I'm going out the door sometime. Right, where's my tea? Yeah, so big shout out to all the community. Fair play to you. Nice one. And the friendships and everything, when I done my first stream on YouTube, right, or Fortnite with myself and Stevie G, right, which he'll be on soon, right, I didn't think that, I'd have 1,500 subscribers and climbing and members and the community people support me and donating money to let me continue with YouTube. It's mad, and that's why I'm doing these vlogs. I know they're not very interesting, some of them, they will be, as I said, I'm only starting, so give me, the house has to be done, right? So the way I'm looking at it is I have a little percentage of it done, so. Right, I'm going to have a shower, I'm going to finish that off tomorrow, because it's not joy, you can't do 2 coats on that, right? So then, yeah, look, the schedule I will get there, but what I'm going to try and do is I have another little vlogs that I'm going to try and get outside the house, obviously. But with the lockdown and everything, I'll tell you, the main thing is the kids going back to school and everything. Plus, it's 8 o'clock now in the evening in Ireland, right? Or 8 o'clock at night. It's going wintry now as well, so I have to think of that. There's also, so, oh look, there's the first bit of tea on the counter. Yeah, no, so, yeah, I'm impressed, Jeff, I'm impressed. I'm happy now. Now, remember I was telling you all, we ran short of a little bit of paint. Bloody shop where we bought was finished. It was all sold out. So we ended up having to pick one up, and obviously now it's a little bit of a different colour, which has totally messed things up for me, but I don't know, I like that colour, so I'll probably use it somewhere else in the house, you know. Yeah, so I'm nearly ready for the shower, I'm nearly ready for all that. I have to say, this is the thing that makes me most happiest. It cleans it up. I like it, I love it, man, I love it. I think I'm happy with that. I can remember the day we put that timber up there. There's plaster underneath it, but we were like, oh, we should put timber up there, it'd be nice, you know. And it was like, oh, how much are you going to charge me? But it doesn't matter. It's done now, it's up there a long time. So, big shout out to everyone, the whole community, guys. Thanks a million. And anyone that hasn't subscribed, subscribe. Hit the likes, leave me comments. I love the comments because they keep encourage me. Because that's why I was just kind of hard to get motivated this morning. I was like, oh, by the time we got everything back and the kids and get everything, and I had to do the batching. I was like, biggest thing is moving everything. So we still have our skip, and I'm still throwing stuff out of the house, and it's great to get decluttered, you know, big time. It's great to start moving and get this underway, you know, that kind of way. So I'm looking forward to getting the rest of it done as we go. So I'm hoping I can show you the next few bits over the next few days and all that, yeah. So big shout out to everyone there. Thanks a million for all the support, alright? Yup, thanks.